This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable and change the camera grid while flying this drone manually. So to start, pick up your mobile phone and launch the HOVERAir X1 app. Now make sure that your drone is connected to the, application, then select the Hover tab at the bottom, and next tap on the Smart Preview button. While in the manual flight controls, you'll need to open Settings, then go into Shooting Settings, and here look for the Grid section. Now you can, switch off the grid entirely if you don't feel like you need it. You can enable the classic 3x3 grid. You can also enable the golden ratio grid, as well as the cross grid. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.